the damn court. More than the court. Wait a second, baby. Y'all already know what time it is. Attorney Ellie, but how you doing? Okay. Hair fried, dye, and laid to the side. Yes, baby. I'm feeling a lot better. Okay. Back from medical leave, and I'm trying to see what's going on with these questions. We're going to start with this is a common issue. It's a messy commoner. It is a messy commoner, but I have an attitude with this person, and you'll see why in a second. Now, you're not going to take this as legal advice because I'm not your attorney. With these limited facts, ain't no way I can be representing you by no TV like this. I'm not representing you. So don't take this as legal advice because it may or may not fit for your situation. However, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to bring to the court my public opinion. I'm going to keep it real. Without further ado, let's get it cracking. I submitted a child support application today, and I just don't want to waste court time and my time with my twin's dad. So he met me at a store, and it went from there. And the whole time, he had a girlfriend, and me not knowing. And 10 years later, he got me pregnant. I'm sorry. And 3 years later, he got me pregnant and left. And he been disrespectful ever since. Girl, what is your... The first thing I'm going to do is tell you that there's no question here, okay? And a lot of us, we did not pay attention in English, okay? In kindergarten, first grade, or second. Because I don't need to see anything with a question mark. Okay, other than, should I do this? I guess you're asking me, should you follow through? And yes. Okay, I'm going to tell you, like I tell many of my personal friends and family members, put them ninjas on child support early. Okay? When they give you the first inkling that they're not going to take care of their child, and you know how they are, because if they didn't buy anything for you while you was pregnant, those are the ones that go on child support immediately. I mean, while you're pregnant, I want you filling out the child support paperwork on the Attorney General website. You understand me? I don't care if you just know the first and last name. That's all you need to put down. They'll figure out who they are. Okay? Give them whatever information that you have or don't have. Because they will find. That's the government, baby. They can find anybody. Okay? Now, when it comes down to getting service done, that's a whole nother issue. We'll discuss that on a later date. But as far as getting that case open, honey, you do what you got to do. Yes, you're going to file child support on NT body. Okay? Degree or no degree. Okay? Black or white. Okay? Yellow or brown. Okay? Who's not taking care of their child. And if they are not buying you things while you're pregnant, and making a good faith effort to show you that they're going to be in that child's life, they're not going to be in that child's life. You better hurry up and start getting them flagged down now by the authorities so you can get your moolah, okay? First and foremost. So, ma'am, you're not wasting your time, okay? What time you wasted was the 3 years later when he had a girlfriend the whole time. Because, bitch, how could he have been spending that at your house? I'm sorry, but you cannot, because you, how do I put this? Come on, Ellie, be nice. Because you were dumb all those years, and you don't know how to find a man that's cheating, okay? And you don't know what it's like to know when somebody is not being faithful and honest with you, okay? Just because you don't know how to do that, we're not going to mess the children out of their father. We're not going to do that because, see, I have to bang the gavel on that. Now, as dusty, rusty, disgusting, disrespectful, ugly, trifling, childish, immature, no child support paying ass that these men can be and are, the children deserve to know their father. They will soon figure out that my daddy is dusty, rusty, a womanizer, a con artist, full of shit, ain't paid my mama nothing. They will figure that shit out as they grow up. Trust me. They'll also figure out the truth about your ass. Okay, so what you don't want to do is sit up there and keep them away from their father, and then once they figure it out, be like, oh, you was going woman, bitch. You was mad because he didn't want you, so then I couldn't have him. So if he didn't want you, you wasn't going to let him on me. You don't want children to feel that way because, baby, number one, they will call your ass out, and that's the first thing. It hurts. Because I have seen children do it. It hurts. That's like some shit. As a parent, I mean, I ain't never been there because I don't care. Okay? My children, sorry ass fathers, baby, y'all can talk to them, call the phone, pick them up, whatever the hell you want to do. Now, me and you are through, but I'm not going to keep you away from your child. I have better shit to do, bitch. Matter of fact, I got so much shit to do that I'm going to need you to pick them up. You can pick up ones that don't belong to your motherfucker. Anything to give me some free time, okay? So I'm not the one that's going to do this, okay? I need to hold my time. And my mama, she needs her time, too. You know, me and my mama, we like this, but girl, she got shit to do, too. So if her and me, we busy, y'all, come on, baby daddy. Come on, let's go. Where your mama at? Where your girlfriend? Where's somebody at to pick these children up? Okay, now, ma'am, I don't understand why you have an issue with the way he's treating you, okay? What you need to do is get him all the way together. Get his ass together. Don't let him disrespect you. Because, see, I won't let my baby daddy disrespect me, so they already know. Don't come to me with that bullshit, because I'll put your ass on a parenting app. I will put your ass... You will be talking to me on a parenting app or via email, bitch. I'm block the hell out your ass. And it will be 2 or 3 years before you are unblocked. I have a problem with the damn finger and the block button. I do. So you're not going to put up with the disrespect. Okay? You're going to girdle their loins. Okay? See, it's something in the Bible called it girdle their loins. You're going to get them together. Okay? Sometimes the pants, they just be all over the place. You got to wrap them by them pants, baby, and get them together. Bitch, who do you think you're talking to, bitch? I'm taking care of the child that you're not taking care of. You don't pay your child support on time, bitch. You don't come on the right days. You don't do a lot of shit. But guess what? I'm going to let you make it. What I'm not going to let you make it on is disrespecting me, bitch. That you're not going to make it. Say, I'm quick to tell my bitch, I don't give a damn bitch as a lawyer. Bitch, say something, sir. Don't disrespect me. Okay? Because we'll be in court battling that shit out, bitch. Throwing Pokemons back and forth, bitch. And I promise you my Pokemons is bigger than yours, bitch. See, you just have to know how to play it. But you cannot insert yourself. Y'all, you cannot do that. Ma'am, this is all about you right here. How you feel about him, how he feels about you, how he makes you feel, bitch. How do he make the children feel? How do the children feel about their daddy? How do they feel about their daddy? How are you wasting time putting him on child support? I am so tired of you here for telling me, well, I don't know, Miss Booker. I don't want to waste my time by putting him on child. You ain't wasting your time. You wasted your time doing this right here. You wasted your time doing this right here and doing this right here and doing this right here and all of that. That was a waste of your time. Okay, so when this pretty baby gets here or these beautiful children get here, you're not wasting your time trying to foster a relationship between the child and the dad. That's not wasting your time. That's not wasting your time. Okay? So I do need you to put them on papers. The reason I need you to put them on papers is so the government can know, number one, who is the pappy. The government should know that. You don't have children out here. We don't know who their parents are. That's not fair. Okay? There's a lot of children out here that have been adopted and whatnot. They spend their lives living for their birth parents for many reasons. You want to know who you are. You want to know where you come from. In order for you to know where you're going, a lot of times knowing where you come from helps. So, ma'am, you're not wasting your time. Okay? But you don't have to allow him to be disrespectful. And you don't have to allow him to cheat on you. You're not going to talk to him anymore, so you shouldn't care what he says about you. If he's a narcissist, laugh and agree with him. Bitch, yes, I'm a fucked up hoe, yes. I'm a slut, yes. I'm for the streets. What time are you picking him up? You know, you just got to go on with it because you can't allow yourself to be shot down. And it seems like you still care. Like, I could take you through a course of don't give a damn. You tell my bitch, well, file a divorce. So I'm pregnant. I say, Allie, you can't file the divorce. You're pregnant. I filed it. I say, oh, shit. Allie, you're a lawyer, bitch. Unknown lawyer. These bitches know you're pregnant. You can't get a divorce when you're pregnant. What are you doing? Motherfucker dismissed. I said, well, then I'm pregnant. Allie, what are you doing? I almost wanted to malpractice this boy myself. I was my own client. Bitch, how's you doing that? You can't. Allie, you know you can't get no divorce. But I was just so quick to whack with those papers. Girl, I will leave a man stranded, pregnant, half sick on one leg, bitch. I don't give a fuck. I don't. I'm going to need you to get like me. I'm just going to need you. Let me tell you why. Because what these men do and how these men treat you doesn't determine who you are. As long as you got some shit going, you ain't gonna give a damn about them. You got something else going, baby. I'm not telling you to be a whore, because then I'm not. I don't do that. I don't move on fast. I don't do any of that. But what I'm never gonna do is derive my self-worth from a ninja or a man with a freaking penis. They don't know half the day who they are and what's going on in their lives without a woman guy. And that's just the truth. Whether it's their sister helping them out, their mom or something, I be talking to them with some sense. They on this word alone. Then you really ought to be scared of them. Because you know how the elephants hunt? The woman's at the front and the male elephants are at the back. You know why? Because men are for protection and women are for thinking. That's what women are for. They're for thinking. And we appreciate danger that they don't appreciate. You know why? Because they have big balls, big testicles that have all this testosterone going through. They don't give a shit about a lot of things. But they can appreciate when a woman says, whoa, I know you don't care, but I think you need to be thinking about this. And they're like, oh, yeah, oh, shit, oops. Maybe I should be less hard. Maybe I should be softer, kinder. Maybe I should take that into account. I know it doesn't bother me, but it would bother the child. I know it doesn't bother me, but that would bother you. They need women to put them there, to give them that. So, ma'am, no, you're not wasting your time. Let me get off my soapbox and do a 10-minute. I don't want to do a 10-minute. Goodbye.
Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.